So what we're going to do from neutral is a pre-select gearbox, yeah? So just to reinforce it, you push it into first, a little bit of revs, just gently, and then down on the clutch, and now we're in first. So we select second now, but I'm not, sorry, second, there, but I'm not in seconds yet, I'm still in first. I'm only going to go in second when I do this. Now I'm in second gear. So I'm going to pre-select third. Now I'm in third gear. So we'll pre-select fourth, but I'm going to stay out of fourth for now because third is okay. So now the revs are going higher. The revs are going higher. So now we're in fourth. So I'll go top now in case we go even quicker. But because it sounds like we're going to go slower, I'm going to select third, which is one under. So now when I double it, now we've got more power. So now pre-select fourth. Now we're in fourth. So now we'll pre-select third. Not going to use third yet. So we're doing 10 miles an hour. Pre-selected second, but I'm not going to need second because I'm in third, so I put it up to fourth. Now I'm in fourth.